Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix Messenger creator room not showing. So if you are also facing problem with creating a room on Messenger, so first what you need to do is just hop into the Messenger application. Then on the home page of Messenger, you will get a room option on the upper left. But if you don't have that room option, then sometimes in some region or country, we don't have that option. But if your friends have that option, and if you don't have, then the first thing what you need to do is you need to check your internet connection, make sure it is working well. Then after checking it, you need to head into the Play Store or the App Store that is available on your mobile device. Then you need to search Messenger application and update your Messenger application. If you see any update button instead of open button, then you need to simply tap on the update to update your Messenger application. After you have updated your app, then you need to head into the settings on your mobile device. Then you need to tap on apps. After that, tap on app management. Wait until all the application get loaded. Then tap on Messenger application. After you search for the Messenger application, here you can see the storage users. Just tap on it and clear all the cache of Messenger. After you have followed all this step, your problem of Messenger creator room not showing problem will be solved. If this does not fix your problem, then once you need to reinstall the app and fix your problem. Also, you can restart your mobile device and fix the problem. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.